Hello everybody and welcome to my Get Ready With Me. This is a very basic makeup look for travel in Europe in the summer. I am going to Italy and I am so excited, but also feeling a little stressed because it's coming quick and I haven't got one darn thing packed. So I thought it would be fun today to show you products that I'm taking for my makeup. I'm doing carry-on only, so that's for my clothes, shoes, makeup, skincare, everything. So I tried to be as concise as I could with my makeup. I wanted to take products that were multitasking, and I also wanted to take products that weren't liquids because I'm saving all of my carry-on liquid space for my skincare. I'm really excited to share this makeup look with you. It was super easy and I think that it turned out rather nice looking. It's nice and fresh looking. It has a pink vibe going on. I used a tinted moisturizer with sunscreen, so that product is actually doing a 2-in-1 because it's acting as my day moisturizer but also as my sunscreen. Now I'm not going to be sitting out bathing in the sun. If I was, I would definitely reapply or put on a separate sunscreen. We're going to be going to the Vatican, Colosseum, all sorts of different places. So I created this look using 6 products. I really could have did it with 5. I'm pretty proud of myself. So let's get into the Get Ready With Me. So I'm taking the EltaMD Tinted Sunscreen. It's a tinted sunscreen moisturizer. It has an SPF of 40 in it. And I usually take 1 pump and then I just slowly work it into my skin. And you can see immediately it kind of blends out any imperfections. It hides my pores. And it does a really nice job. It hides my facial redness, which is great. And I want to remember to work it in at the jawline so it just blends in nicely. And I put it everywhere on my face. And you can see that it just makes my skin look nice and dewy. But the nice thing that I like about this tinted sunscreen is that it doesn't make my oily skin feel heavy or tacky. It's just wonderful. So now I'm going to apply my eyebrows, and I'm using the Cosmetics Brow Power. It's my favorite eyebrow pencil. And this whole makeup routine, I mean, I'll be able to do in probably 3 to 5 minutes when I'm concentrating on it and not talking. And your brows, they just frame your face. They are so, so important. And if you hear background noise, they're building a house across from us. So we're just constantly in construction noise. So the next product that I'm taking with me on my trip to Italy is a new product to me, and it's by Milk. And it is a stick that you can use either as a blush or a lip product. So I wanted a 2-in-1 product. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rub a little bit, put some on my finger, and then I'm just gonna tap it in to put some color on my cheeks. I'm not taking any brushes with me, so I have to be able to apply stuff with my fingers. And this just gives a nice color to the cheeks. So then take my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and I'm gonna line the outer portion of my lips. I just go a little bit above the lip line and I don't go all the way to the end. The same thing underneath. I'm just creating the illusion of some bigger lips, and now I'm just going to color in the whole lip. So this is actually a pretty pink look. So now I'm going to take the Lip Balm and apply it to my lips. And that's such a pretty pink. It's lovely. I'm so pleased with this product. I look forward to trying more Milk products in the future. I'm also taking, I'm not going to apply it today, but the Tizo Lip Balm with the sunscreen. It's tinted. It's really nice. I took this on my cruise, and some days I'll probably just wear this by itself. It just gives a nice bronzy look to the lips, but it also protects them because it has sunscreen in it. Eyelashes with the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes Mascara. I have no idea what to expect weather-wise in Italy. You know, we're going to the Amalfi Coast and The time of year we're going, it can still be a bit chilly. And then I'm going to apply some lip gloss. Don't have to do this step, but I just love lip products. So this is the finished look, and I think that it is perfect for travel because really the only liquid that I have to declare is my lip gloss. And really I don't have to take the lip gloss. I'm gonna try and do 10 days in a carry-on. That's clothes, makeup, shoes, everything. It's a first for me, so it's gonna be a challenge. So I'm trying to find products that I can multitask with, and that's why I'm just taking the bare minimum. But I think that this look that I created today is just a nice, fresh, everyday kind of no makeup look. I really do enjoy the Tinted Sunscreen by EltaMD. It's great, and I think that it really matches my skin tone very nicely, and I am so impressed with this stick by Milk. I love multitasking makeup. This is such a nice color. Now, I was a little surprised. I bought this during the Sephora sale, and I thought that the container would be bigger. It is pretty small, lasts all day, it applies nicely, doesn't settle into my fine lines or pores. It looks as fresh at the end of the day as when I first put it on. So that's great. It works well with my oily skin. You know how much I love this It Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. It's the greatest eyebrow pencil. Well, it and the Charlotte Tilbury. I also like the Charlotte Tilbury pencil. I think that it's quite nice. And this is smudge proof, so that's also great. Of course, you know I love the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes Mascara. It does a great job. This has been open for probably about 2 to 3 months now. I know I don't wear mascara every day, and I know you're supposed to change the tube every month or whatever. But because I don't wear my mascara every day, I can stretch it out a little bit. There's no foul smell, so to me that tells me it's still fine. I did notice though when I put it on, it was a little getting thick, had a little bit of clumps in it. When I went and fixed my hair, I just took a Q-tip, put some makeup remover on, and then just went over the eyelid where the mascara was. Cleans it up fine. So if you ever get too much mascara on your upper eyelids, let it dry and then go in with even a dry Q-tip sometimes can just clean it up, and that way you don't mess up your makeup. But even though I'm not taking any eyeshadow with me, this still helps to define my eyes. And I'm taking a lip liner just because to make my lips more prominent, I guess. I do find as I'm aging, my upper lip is kind of getting thinner and thinner. I just like to color in my lips with the lip liner and then either put on a lip gloss or, as you saw, the Lip Balm. And some days I may just choose just to wear the tinted Tizo Lip Balm. I haven't been able to find this lately. I bought it locally at my Medi Spa, but I will look online. All products will be linked in the description box. I will have links for both Canada and the US. Check out the description box, and if I can find this, I will definitely link it for you. So let me know what you think of my very, very minimal travel makeup that I'm taking with me to Italy. I'm excited and nervous because I have less than 2 weeks and I have to get 10 videos filmed, edited, so you get 2 videos a week while I'm gone. And I have to try and figure out what I'm gonna pack and also pack everything in a carry-on. So I'm just feeling a little bit of stress, so I'm glad that I got my makeup all sorted out. So be sure that you subscribe because I'm going to be doing vlogs from Rome, Capri, and the Amalfi Coast. I'm going to be doing fashion videos of the clothes that I wore. I'm going to do some food videos to show you the food. And I'm just so excited to share my trip with you. So if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.